The DJI Neo2 has been creating quite a stir in the drone world lately. Leaks and unofficial reports suggest that this upcoming model could bring a wave of innovation to the skies, especially in terms of camera performance, flight capabilities, and smart tracking features. But while the excitement is building, there are also a few concerns hovering around that are worth discussing. In this video, we'll break down what's shaping up to be game-changing, what might be questionable, and when we could expect this drone to finally be revealed to the world. Camera upgrades that could set a new standard. One of the most talked about features of the rumored Neo2 is its camera system. If leaks are on point, the drone may come equipped with a 1-inch sensor capable of capturing 20-megapixel images. That would be a significant step up from previous consumer models. A larger sensor means better light capture, sharper visuals, and improved performance in low-light environments. For those filming during golden hour or under cloudy skies, this could make a major difference. Rumors also point to support for 5.4K video and 4K recording at 60 FPS, ideal for filmmakers who want cinematic quality. There may also be 10-bit D-Log. Color support, giving professionals more room to tweak footage during post-production. Still, we're left wondering, will an adjustable aperture be included for manual control of exposure and depth? And will these advanced features come standard, or will they be part of a more expensive Pro version? Until we have confirmation, a healthy dose of skepticism is warranted. Flight performance that could raise the bar. Great visuals are only half the equation. Flight performance is just as crucial. The Neo2 is rumored to hit speeds up to 60 miles per hour, which is blazing fast for a drone in this class. That kind of speed is essential for tracking dynamic subjects like cars, animals, or athletes without blur or lag. Even more exciting is the possibility of up to 40 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Compared to the average 30 minutes offered by many current drones, this would be a big leap forward. More airtime means fewer interruptions and more creative possibilities, something both casual users and professionals can appreciate. Smarter. Control's better connectivity reports suggest that the Neo2 might include DJI's latest OcuSync 4.0 transmission system. This would ensure a more stable video feed, stronger range, and better handling of signal interference, key for users flying in tricky environments. The addition of omnidirectional obstacle sensors is another major upgrade. That means sensors on every side, front, back, top, bottom, and sides, enhancing safety and precision. Combined with upgraded subject tracking, the drone could follow moving subjects more fluidly and intelligently than ever before. But here's the catch. Past drones haven't always been perfect in cluttered or low-contrast scenes. Will the Neo2 solve those problems, or will it still trip up in complex environments? Only real-world testing will tell. Design and portability, on the go. Friendly, travel-friendly design matters. And it looks like the Neo2 could follow in the footsteps of the Mavic series with a foldable build. That would make it easier to carry in a backpack or camera bag, perfect for outdoor creators and travelers. Another rumor points to a new controller with a built-in touchscreen. If true, this could eliminate the need for attaching a smartphone, simplifying setup and reducing gear clutter. There's also talk of upgraded connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Possibly allowing smoother live streaming and faster file transfers. But convenience sometimes comes at a cost. Foldable frames might sacrifice some durability, and a built-in screen might consume more power. Will it impact battery life? And if the controller design changes, will it still be comfortable and reliable for long shoots? What to watch out for, despite the potential? There are a few red flags to keep in mind. The biggest one? Pricing. With so many advanced features being speculated, the Neo2 may come with a hefty price tag, possibly pushing it out of reach for casual users. Software reliability is another question mark. While AI features have come a long way, they're not always perfect. Tracking glitches and obstacle detection errors still happen, even in top-tier drones. Will the Neo2 finally perfect these tools? Lastly, production delays are always possible. DJI has faced supply chain challenges before, and if demand surges, availability could be limited during the initial launch period. Expected launch timeline as of now, DJI hasn't officially said anything about the Neo2. However, based on the bite, companies' past patterns, a summer reveal or late-year launch seems likely. That said, features can always change during development, and some rumored specs might never see the light of day. Final thoughts. Whether you're a seasoned aerial cinematographer, a travel vlogger, or someone who simply enjoys flying drones for fun, the DJI Neo2 is shaping up to be one of the most promising releases of the year. With its rumored enhancements in camera quality, battery life, flight speed, smart features, and portability, it could redefine the mid to high-end drone segment. The only real questions left are, will the final version live up to the hype? And will it be priced competitively enough for its eager audience? Whatever the case, one thing is clear. The buzz surrounding the Neo2 isn't slowing down anytime soon.